Ask him to shut the car off. Yeah. Yeah. Do me a favor, don't use your phone. Okay? It's an officer safety thing. One of the most dangerous things we do are traffic stops. And next thing you know, you tell somebody that you got pulled over and we got angry somebody showing up on a traffic stop, and then we got to divide our attention, okay? Is your vehicle shut off? Is your vehicle shut off? Okay, can you take it out, the keys out of the ignition and step out of the vehicle for me, please? You stay right here for right now, okay? Do me a favor, just put your hands on the dashboard and don't make any sudden movements, all right? Hang on one second. Do you have a medical marijuana card or any hemp in the car? Okay, because I can smell marijuana coming from that car. Okay, I'm not looking to bust somebody for just a little bit. If you got a little bit, tell me and we'll work with you. But if you don't tell me, I'm going through the car anyway because I have probable cause. So you're better off right now. If you got a little bit, just tell me and we'll talk about it.
If anything, it's probably just some stuff in ashtray, like little roaches.
Okay, and that's it? Okay. Okay.
Probably just whatchamacallit.
Spread your feet. Spread your feet. Nice and wide.
Little water. Put your hands under it.
Who is this to you? It's your brother? What's your name? What is your name? Jamal. Do you have a medical marijuana card, Jamal, or any hemp? All right. Just stay where you are, okay? Okay, you can grab your stuff. What I want you to do is go sit on the back of my bumper facing that car, all right? Did you check his shoes? Okay, go ahead and put your phone down. Come on, step out for me, okay? Did you hear us explaining to him why we pulled him out of the car?
Why was that?
What's that?
I said, why was that?
Okay, come on over here and we'll explain it to you too, okay? Come on to the back of the vehicle. Because there's marijuana, odor of marijuana right here. Right here. There's odor of marijuana coming from the vehicle. Keep your hands out of your pockets, okay?
He only said shoes, but now he's saying socks.
Yes, take your socks off, inside out, and wiggle your toes.
Man, y'all could just feel my socks.
No, I'm not touching your socks. You're taking them off. You can put them right back on when we're done.
I'm saying y'all never done nothing like this. That's crazy.
Okay, have I ever pulled you over before? Has he ever pulled you over before?
It's not the point of who you are. I'm just saying cops, period. It don't matter if you or your teammate. I'm saying him, anybody say.
So you're an expert on how cops do their traffic stops?
Are you?
I would just stop.
Stop what? I'm just
Stop.
asking a question.
Stop being difficult.
There's nothing to be difficult about. I'm just asking a question, man.
All right, you know what? Do me a favor. Turn around. Stay right there. Turn around. Turn around. Because you're being a little, spread your feet. Spread your feet. You're just a little too uncooperative, and I don't want any more issues. You're not under arrest. You're being detained. They come off as quickly as they go on, all right? But I don't need to worry about this for officer safety, all right? I'm going to make sure that I lock them up so they don't pinch down on you.
The right one, left one is just a little bit tight. And I have this brace right here. I have a torn ligament.
Okay, listen to me.
I'm just saying it's a little tighter than the right. That's all.
Okay, listen to me. You feel my finger in there? If I can fit a finger, they're properly fitted.
I'm just saying the left one's a little tighter than the right. That's all I'm saying.
I understand what you're saying.
I'm just saying.
I've understood what you said. Okay? But they are properly fitted. If I can fit my finger in there and that's the proper... Let me finish, my God. Stop talking. This is exactly why you're in handcuffs right now, because you're being a little difficult.
My left wrist.
Stop wrenching. The more you struggle. Okay, well, you're jerking around and doing stuff like that, so come on over here. I think I got to move you to the other side, so just hang on 1 second. Yeah, I got to move you to the other side. Come on over here.
I thought I wasn't being arrested.
You're being placed in handcuffs and in the back of my car until we're finished with our investigation. You are not under arrest at this time.
I didn't know I had to sit in the car.
Put your feet all the way in. If it's uncomfortable on your left wrist, you can slide back and put your feet out this way. All right?
Sorry, I was trying to shake.
Watch your knee.
I was trying to shake, sorry.
Don't be reaching in your pockets, just hands behind your head, okay?
Come over here. Right over here. Stop and turn around. You're not listening. All right. We're going to do the same thing for you. Stop. Then do what we're asking you to do. Relax. Spread your feet. Please. Not resisting. I'm not. Not resisting. I'm resisting. I'm not.
Put your hand behind your back, do it now!
You're gonna get tased if you keep it up. You're gonna get tased. You keep it up. You hear me? Stop resisting now. Hands all the way behind your back.
Oh, get that cuff.
Hands all the way behind your back. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna. Stop! Stop! Turn around now. Turn around now. On your stomach.
I'm not.
On your stomach.
He's reaching for
now.
his waistband. I'm not.
On your stomach. Get on your stomach now. Do not move. Do you understand me? Give me your right hand on your back now.
I can't.
Pull your right hand out now. Yes, you
No.
can.
Please.
Pull your right hand out.
I can't. You're holding me.
Get your other arm out.
Grab it.
Grab it.
You're gonna get tased again.
Let's go.
Do not move. Do you hear me?
Stop reaching for shit.
Over 224.
Talk to you.
Why did you just try to run?
Get up.
I did
3 times you did.
anything.
Canine therapy Flagler. We have 1 Bravo Mike secured and Tango deployed.
What was that? You saw something run. I did not try to run. No, I did not.
It's gonna be a drive stun.
You guys grabbing me and stuff.
Yeah, Mark.
What the heck? What the fuck was that?
Why did you do that? We made
here
very clear
visiting.
instructions. Very clear. And even after we told you to stop resisting, you continued.
Good to see.
He had a 0. This is what you were trying to do. Are you dumb?
What? Look. Grab the holster.
He's in there.
Is that real or no?
Oh, this shit hurt.
Hey, do you have any guns on you, man?
Huh?
Do you have a gun on you?
Everybody searched me. They already
You don't have a gun on you at all?
They searched me twice.
Is there another gun in the car or no?
There's nothing in the car. What are you talking about? Can they? I'm not arrested. She just said I'm detained, but can I at least let my wrist? And I told her I have a torn leg in my left wrist.
At this point, you have to wait.
I don't need to take it off. I just need my left wrist.
We'll get it adjusted in a second. Just give us a minute, okay?
Can I just tell me what's going on, my brother? Can you just tell me that, please?
And he's going to jail. I'll tell you that right now. He's going to jail.
Why would you try to do that?
I'm not arrested.
She's not reaching.
Keep your feet where they were. He's reaching for this. Did you see him reaching?
Yeah.
I checked it. It's...
You okay?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm just pissed.
What we got?
Shutting up for